they spend a lot of time at play. To find out who else might join their games, Spy Pelican follows from above, while Spy Dolphin films from below. A southern right whale king, a species not known for its fun-loving lifestyle. Some show their belly, a sign they want to play. The whale even tempts a leap. They have the playmate they're after. But who can compete with a dolphin? Another whale joins. It's now double the fun. Party over. The dolphins take their cue to leave. To discover that whales and dolphins play together is a revelation. For our spies, there are always new surprises to uncover.